Today we're taking a look at the Newcastle Test Centre. As you can see from above, it does have a car park, and as you can see there are bays. At the top there is just parking for the examiners. There's also a one-way system, so you always come in on the furthest gate and then go round. So there is no entry signs on one of the gates. As you come across here, you'll see that there is this busy Newcastle Road, the junction here. So this junction here, when you're coming back from Newcastle, you can be asked to turn right into the road for the test centre. Quite a busy junction. As you're going out, remember there's a yellow box junction, and also if you turn in left, there is filter arrows that are on sometimes. Believe just when it's busy. Carry on taking a look at this junction so you can see the way it works. Again, very handy view. You can see why people sometimes have a problem when they're turning right. Maybe they don't go forward enough. But feel free, take a look. Here's a junction just by the side of the sizzling walk. Again, you can be asked to go left or right here, and this in the morning 8:20 test can be extremely busy. Quite a fast moving road. As you can see, turning right, there's literally a box junction, so you get directly into that box junction for when you're turning back into the test, turning right back into the test centre road. And then back onto the test centre. So we're just going to have a look at the reverse parking manoeuvres here. So as you can see, you drive in on a one-way system, follow it around and reverse back into one of these bays. You'll get the chance to reverse either left or right. The actual bays are about 1.5 foot wider than the ones that you'll find in Tesco's or Sainsbury's. Now you can see some cars reverse back into the bay. These bays are about 1.5 foot wider than the ones you find in Tesco's or Sainsbury's. So it's reversing back. Normally you'd pick a point on your passenger's door and have a quick look around in your blind spot, make sure no one's actually come in to the car park, and straight to full lock. So if you take a look at this one, it's slightly gone too near the line. So my advice to make that better would be leave your point of turn a little bit later. Okay, but there's still not a problem, because what he can do is shunt forward and correct his position. You get one chance to do this. That's why you make sure you check your blind spot, because cars are always using this car park. A lot of the cars are hybrids or electric now, so they're quite silent. And then you can see this bluish car is going to do the reverse park, but from the opposite side. So here's the red car. I just decided to pull forward and correct his position as he goes back. Really handy because the boxes in the middle line up with the bays that you're reversing into. Here's a blue car, so he's gone into the bay. So he's made another fault that learners make, which is not straightening up your wheel correctly. So the front now swings out across the line again. So we're in kind of an angle position in the bay. So a way to correct this would be just to drive forward